everybody, it's Jazzy here, and today we'll be doing, ew, get those away from me, a video on Mexican things.
Mexican pesos.
Mexican pesos.
Do you have math homework?
So basically, 3 of these things are actually just from here. My nanny got me 2 toothbrushes. 1 and 2. And 1 bag of toothpaste. 1 toothpaste bottle. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. So let's get on to the candy. So we're actually gonna go on to the money. If you live in Mexico, hola, papi. Oh my God. Look at this money. Like, you could see through it. I see you. Like, and there's this on the other side. Like, this is actually $2. And these are pesos. They look like this. I have like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pesos. 7 pesos and $1. So then we got this. It's called Gudu. A Gudu Pop. Hold on.
Man, you didn't see the jalapenos.
It says hot on it.
Oh shit, really?
It's way good.
Oh, I didn't know what that meant.
Is it hot?
I don't know.
But Nanny tasted.
It tastes sweet.
I'm scared.
Has it got a kick after though?
It tastes like pepper.
Okay, that's CJ's.
No, you shouldn't
I'm
like
not
that.
gonna eat it. Tastes
So
like,
that candy is great. Then we're on to the Lucas Maquinos.
tastes like dry roasted pepper or something.
Oh,
So I don't know what this is.
Nanny doesn't really know all the Spanish, so I don't really know any Spanish except el baño,
What is that?
but bathroom, the bathroom. Buenos dias, buenas noches, buenas tardes.
So we're gonna try this. We're gonna actually try these.
Oh, this is little.
Choco crisps.
That's cereal.
Mhm.
That you'll
Yes,
definitely like.
especially if it's chocolate. Looks like little chocolate hoops.
Chocolate.
Cheers. Oh, good.
Good?
Mhm. They look like little chocolate hoops.
Let's show mommy.
Juice box, which this juice box is from Mexico. No, it's not. That's spicy.
Yeah, I'm thinking that this is just candy that you would probably.
Yeah. And I got 2 chocolate
I don't know.
crisps.
Are you good in here today?
Oh,
Oh
we
no,
should.
that was from last week. I just wrapped a
Oh, that's
sugar skull in the fork in there.
Looks like little poops. Like, is this supposed to be a little mimic of little poops?
Okay, of course, to his room.
That's so face.
Oh, it could go poop. I'll eat that one. Big poop drop. They look like poops. CJ, open this, please.
So open, careful.
Mm. Take a test.
You test it. I'm not testing it. Do you like it? What? No?
That's like spicy.
Yeah.
Trust this.
You do, huh?
This, like, what is this supposed to mean? You try that. Me and CJ are just trying out random candies. So basically, if you're in Mexico, try this.
You did great. These you don't cut like that. Because these are flavors. So you gotta cut it that way.
I know we have the stick.
You don't like this one?
Ooh, this is sweet. Cause I just opened this. Three, two, one. Oh, that's not bad. This one.
That one just came for you.
Yeah.
Other ones are nice.
Now we're on grape. This is called Gudo. Let's see. Success. I swear if that. This? No, don't cut this. Like, it will make you bleed.
Don't you want to do that today? I don't want you on that thing all day long. Because yesterday I let you do it for the whole time. Didn't say one word.
Now we're gonna go on to this one. We're gonna call this one banana. No! Mexican foods. They'll burn your tongue off. I'm coming for you, T-Bone. With this, the poison of Earth. And I will never mention T-Bone's real name, because that is just trespassing. I mean, if I didn't care about him, which I don't. Why am I so rude to people? It's like it's an obsession. Ow! And I told T-Bone in school, and he knows I'm talking about him when I say T-Bone. That was my ice. In reach. Yeah.
Come on, Jasmine. Let's get to sewing.
Hold on.
Yeah. You got sewing. Yeah, you got sewing.
Look, it's good. It's not spicy, but like, it's banana. So I'll see if somebody else in my family. Did it get on? Yeah, it's not. I just. I already. I tried it. No, banana.
Don't eat it.
What?
Who's gonna take care of your children? They'll mess with you a little. We're in Mexico. It's so hot here. I'm drunk. Blah blah.
I might give these away. So there will be a giveaway that ends tomorrow. And all you have to do is be subscribed. So that is the worst giveaway, just for Choco Crisps. So I will announce the winner. Whoever comments I subscribed and likes this video first, there will be 3 winners. Each winner will get a comment to me. We'll get a comment from me, and the first place winner will win these. No, just kidding. Just get a comment back from me. So. So yeah, bye.